So this is the place where we stopped. What is the discussion? If it is mutable, if something is mutable, right? Then what happened is same data normally same data, one copy only will be there. But in the mutable case, same data means all people will point to same place. Mutable means you can change also, then all will affect. Then what happened is for mutable people, even though same data, different copies will be created. For the immutable people, if same data, one copy only created. For all the people, one copy. Immutable, same data. For all the people, one copy. Mutable, same data. For all the people, different copies. Right? Mutable, they can grow also, they can shrink also. Same data, because of you can update. Mutable means you can update, so different copies will be there. This is the place where we stopped in the last class, right? Yeah, let's go to further. I hope until now here it's perfect. Until here it is perfect. Now let's go there. Yeah, let me say something about this. So in GATE 2026, all EPT toppers, if you see, common thing is most of the people cracked the GATE exam. Most of the people cracked the GATE examination. Most of the people cracked the GATE examination within 6 to 12 months. Some people are 5 months also. Some people 6 months. Some people 7 months. Some people 8 months. In the exam prep too, most of the students cracked the exam within 6 to 12 months. That to first attempt only. Many people got in the first attempt itself, 6 to 12 months only. And one more thing is some people are third year student itself, third year BTech itself. So I request everyone, you also can crack, right? So Aman Kumar got 5th rank, Razu got 7th rank, right? Utkarsh got 12th rank, Santanu got 16, Aditya, right? Shubham, right? Next one, Suresh, Manoj, Bharat, Prashant, Pavan, Nikhil, Revant, Abhik, Rohit, Surjit, Venkat Durga Prakash. Next one, Pavan, Leela Prasad, Enmol, Krishna, Ayush, Tarun, Mahinder Reddy, Kaushik, Shreyansh, Ayush, Omkar, Divyanshu, Ayush, Sai Kiran, Neha, Manideep, Kartikeya, Rahul, Pavan, Mohit, Shreyas, Swarnava, Anmol, Rinku, Karmakar, Ayan, Pranjal, Shantanu, Koshal, Shubham, Arpit, Samarth, Shiv, Karan, Rohan, Raz. Next one is Suryakant, Ravnit, Rinkan, Anik. I want to see all of you in the toppers list. I want to see all of you, whoever is watching this. I want to see all of you in the toppers. It is a very much possible. 6 to 12 months you can easily crack. 6 to 12 months you can easily crack. In the first attempt itself, you can crack. All EPT students done, why not you? All EPT students done, why not you? Sir, I have to study so deeply. No deep, nothing. Third year student itself is cracking. Third year student itself is, they are cracking GATE examination. What deep you will expect? Third year student itself is cracking. What deep? No deep, nothing. Whatever is there in the syllabus, study one time, do practice. No deep required, nothing required. Third year student itself got 43. What deep you will expect? Just study one time, do PYQs. Right? That is more than enough. Right? And last year for one of the institute, for one of the university, we given the GATE training. For one of the university, we given the GATE training. Right? They got the tremendous ranks. right? So they got in the top 10 itself, sorry, top 100 itself, 26, 37, 43, 54, 66, 69, 70, 95. They got in the top 100 itself, these many. In one of the college, one class. It's almost like one class. From one class itself, this much. Right? So they called us and they done some celebration. Right? Rankers ceremony they done. Right? I thought of sharing with all of you, so I kept here. Right, next one. Right, batch number 10 is going on. Batch number 10 is going on. DLD subject is going on. Whoever want to join, they can join. 80% discount going on. Use it. 80% discount going on. Please use it. This is the code. This is the code for that. Right? Use this one. This is the code. Okay, fine. Next one. Next one. If you got any interview call, please inform to us. We are going to come. We are going to conduct one mock interview. These are the EPT faculty. I am teaching from 18 years. Umas are teaching from 20 years. Theras are teaching from 15 years. Abhinav teaching from the 3 years. Sachin teaching from the 10 years. Right? Silpa madam is from 5 years. Nidhi madam from 5 years. Deadlock sir is teaching from the last 1 year. Right? His gate rank is 150. He is IIT Bombay alumni. Subham is teaching from the last 1 year. Nidhi madam teaching from the last 3 years. So our team, if you observe, right, experienced people and the rankers combination. Experienced people and rankers combination. That's the reason our students used to crack the GATE exam in 6 to 12 months only. It is a combination of rankers also, experienced people also. Right? This both combinedly giving 6 to 12 months only good GATE rank. First attempt only good GATE rank. Third year BTech itself is right good GATE rank. I request everyone. I request everyone. Whatever teachers are saying, just do that. I request everyone. Whatever teachers are saying, please do that. Now C programming, total C programming free on the YouTube. Total Python program also free on the YouTube. Right? You can use it. Right? So you can join the combo course. You can join the combo, right? Gate. You can join the gate combo course or gate combo and placement course, regular course, foundation course, test series, mentorship, and gate plus top PSUs combo course. Whatever you want, you can select. Every weekend there is a mentorship session where we are going to give targets. This week target what? This month target what? We are going to give. That's the reason EPT students able to complete their syllabus in time. They are able to do practice. They are getting in the first attempt itself. This is the major reason why EPT students are getting the top ranks. Every weekend we will give target. Every month we will give target. That is the reason within less time they are completing syllabus. They are practicing also. Finally, they are cracking the GATE examination in the first attempt itself. Right? Next one is 6,000 practice questions are there. 3,000 PYQs are there. AIR1 notes also there. Free doubt solving is there. Please use that. In the EPT, all classes are in English only. Live and recording is possible. Next one is daily quizzes possible. Quick doubt solving is there. Gate PYQs plus verified questions. Right? One-to-one guidance from the mentors. Right? Next one is study plan and revision strategy available. That is the reason we are able to crack the GATE examination in the first attempt. In EPT, not only GATE, placements also will give equal importance. Right? So Amit got Google, Kartikeya got Meta, Pravalika got Walmart, Rajinish got Qualcomm. So these are all the people. I want to see your photo also at this place. Right. So these are the placement courses. These are the placement courses: DSA course, DSA plus system design, DSA Super 50, Super 300, Super 600, mock interviews with the industry experts, programming languages, stack and right web and app development, front end courses. Right, whatever you want, you can join. Now see this one for you. I made one table also. Conclusion table. Can you see everyone? Can you see everyone? Conclusion table, date. I given wrong dates. Let's change it. 15. Today's date is 15. Can you see the table? For you, I written also, table also I written, summary I written. Summary I written. Can you see once? Can you see the summary one time? Can you see the summary one time? Right. So first column is what are the features. Second column is list how it is. These features in the list will be worked out or not. Next column is tuple. Next one is set. Next one is dictionary. This is. Can you check one time? Can you verify one time? Yeah, I'm going to explain. Can you check one time by yourself? Are you getting this table or not? Verify. Anywhere, any doubt there in the comment section, comment. Reddy sir, I am not okay with this. This table. This is a conclusion table. Right? If you see the first row, syntax, second row, ordered, third one, mutable, fourth one, duplicates, fifth one, indexing, sixth one, storing, what it will store, seventh one, can modify after creation, eighth one, can contain mixed data, ninth one, use cases. Use cases means what is the purpose of you? What is the purpose of this? Can you see this table one time? Let me know if any doubt is there. I will explain. I will explain if any doubt is there. Please check. Comment in the comment section. I request everyone comment in the comment section if you have any doubt. Please see this conclusion table one time. Final conclusion. I will come within 1 or 2 minutes. Please comment in the comment section if you have any doubt. I'm going to help you. Yeah, I given enough time to you. I hope you went all these things. So remember one time I will read. One time I will read. Syntax of list, square bracket. Tuple, I think function bracket. Set, right, curly bracket. Dictionary also curly bracket, but inside dictionary you will see key column value. But in the set, no column, nothing, simply one by one separated by comma. But in the dictionary, right, square, that is a curly brackets only, but pair will be there. But what about ordered? Right? In the list, order guarantee. Whatever you kept in the first place is there. Whatever you kept in the second place there. Tuple also same. Set up, right? Set if you see the set, right? What is the order? Set order, no guarantee. No. Ordered, no. Let me write here. Set, no. Let's see why it is. Just give me 1 minute. Right. So if you see the set, if you see the set there is no order, right? Set order, no. Set order, no. Dictionary, what about dictionary? Dictionary order, right? Actually not there, but right, version 3.7 below, order is not there. But 3.7 plus onwards, version 3.7 plus onwards, dictionary also having order. Before that, before this version, there is no order. So I written within the brackets. If I don't keep if I don't write Python 3.7 plus, then order is not there. Because if I written Python 3.7 plus, order is there. In the recent versions, order is there. Next, what about mutable? Right? If you see the tuple is not mutable, remaining all are mutable. What about duplicates? In the list, duplicates are allowed. In the tuple, right? In the tuple also duplicates are allowed. In the set, duplicates are not allowed. In the case of dictionary, keys, duplicates not allowed. Values, duplicates allowed. Indexing. Using index, can I access? In the list possible. In the tuple also possible. In the set not possible. In the dictionary possible. Right? So you can write like this, right? Index followed by 1, like this you can write. Indirect, right? So square brackets everywhere, right? Then index number 2. Here you cannot write. Here you cannot write like this. But here you can write. Here you can write. Right? Yes by key. So here you have to write like this one. See, key is assume that right? Key is assume that k, right? Index of right square bracket k. Right? So remember, indexing is there by key. Perfect. What about storing? It will store values. It will also store values. It will store unique values. It will store key value pair. Can modify after creation. Mutable, right? Yes. Right? It is not mutable. No. This one, set, yes. Right? Set, yes. Can modify after creation. Yes. Next one. What about dictionary? Yes. Next one, can contain mixed data. Mixed data, here yes, here yes, here yes. Means mixed data means different data types. Next one, use cases, right? General storage purpose, right? General storage, it's a fixed data because it's a immutable, right? See, in the mutable, it is not there. Fixed data, it is a unique data, it is a mapping data, different purposes. It is a normal purpose. If you want fixed data, go here. If you want unique data, go here. If you want map data, go here. So like that. Like that. This is the conclusion table. Little doubt also there. Comment in the comment section. We are going to help you. We will provide these notes also. We will provide these notes also. If you are not there in the group, right? Please join this group. In the description, maybe link is there. Join that group. We will provide the notes also. Otherwise, WhatsApp us 888-208993. WhatsApp us. Right? We are going to provide the notes also. Right? Now come to functions. I made ready also. Right? Functions. Right? What is the purpose of functions? I will explain. Listen, I will explain. What is the purpose of function? Right? Why functions needed? What exactly going on here? I will explain. Functions. See this one. See everyone now. Assume that this is your house, right? You got land this much. This is the land. This is the land. This is the land what you purchased. This is the land what you purchased. So remember, in this land what you purchased, right? This is the house what you constructed. Right? This is the land what you purchased. This is the house what you constructed. So remember, this may be balcony. This area may be balcony. Right? Next one. In this house, if you see, this may be entrance. This may be entrance. If you go inside, this is hall. Maybe here, maybe 3 rooms, maybe 3 BHK, whatever it is, or maybe 4 BHK. This may be hall. This may be, right, master bedroom. It may be some other, right? Maybe some other bedroom, some other room, right? This is the hall. This is the balcony. It's a bedroom, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3. It may be master bedroom. So what I mean to say is your total house is divided into some parts, right? Hall, some portion is hall, some portion is a balcony, some portion is a master bedroom, some portion is, right, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, something like that. How you divided your house? Similar way, code also can be divided into some parts. For every part, you can give whatever name you want. In the house, you given the name as balcony. In the house, you given the name as hall. In the house, you given the name as master bedroom. So how you given the names? Here also names are there, right? So some people are asking, sir, every part I given here as balcony, something. But in the program, what you will do? Every part is called as a function, right? Remember, this is one part. Careful, everyone. This is one part. This is one part. See, no name is written. This is one part, okay, but no name is also written. This is called as main function. It is a main function. No name means main function. And one more thing is, main function code is there. Main function code is there. Extreme left. See, main function code is there. Extreme left hand side. No gap also there. No gap also there, and no name also there. No name also there, and one more thing is extreme left will be there. This is the main function code. It is a main function code. Please try to understand. And one more thing, this is fact function code. It is also extreme left. DEF means definition. DEF means definition. Right? DEF will be their extreme left check. DEF also their extreme left. But DEF code, right, that function code will be there little inner side. See, little inner side. Definition of factorial. Definition of factorial. Try to understand. Definition of factorial. So I will write this properly. Definition of factorial. Right? So total factorial code is there inside. See, the one line I written. So whatever is visible on the screen, bottom will be their main function code is there, top will be their functions code. So remember this particular syntax. Bottom will be main function code, top will be their, right, functions code. Main function code, if you see, extreme left will be there. So if you see the other functions code, DEF will be their extreme left, right, and every function code is a little inner side. Right, little inner side. Execution will start from main program. So try to understand. So from where execution will start from where? Let me check here. Execution will start from main. So from here it will start. From main it will start first line. Execution will start from main first line. Main first line onwards, execution will start. Right? From here it will start. Right? So first one is what? N is equal to 5. Okay? Okay, n is equal to 5, that's fine. Factorial of n, factorial of n. N is equal to 5, factorial of n. N is going, remember, this n address is, let me write now. N address is 1000. N address is 1000. Inside is 5 there. Right? So factorial of n, remember. So this n value 5 going, see this one, n value 5 going here. This is called as actual parameter. This is called as a formal parameter. Remember definition, you cannot run directly until unless it is called. From main program onwards, you called the fact function. That is the reason you are going to the fact function. You cannot go to fact function directly without calling. Don't execute definition directly without calling. So from main function, you are calling fact function. So I am going there. Right? How many parameters I am sending? How many parameters I am sending? One parameter I am sending. That is n, actual parameter. This is actual parameter. This is actual parameter. This is formal parameter. This is formal parameter. Right? So in the fact, from the main program, you are calling the fact, you are passing one parameter, that n is called actual parameter. At the receiving side, fact is taking that value, whatever is there, right? So that m is called formal parameter. One parameter is going received by one more parameter. There is no objection at all. And one more interesting thing I want to say to all people. One more interesting thing I want to say to all people. Try to understand. Try to understand. Inside this code, if you observe, see the code. Right, m is coming, so 5, that's okay. Inside this code, if you observe, please observe carefully. Please observe carefully. Inside this function, if you observe, is m is changing at anywhere? Please check. M, right? M using okay. Is m changed anywhere? No. Is m changed anywhere? No. And one more thing is, what is this n? N is integer. N is integer. Right? Remember, n is integer. Everyone know integers are immutable. Integers are immutable. Be careful, everyone. Integers are immutable. And one more, whatever this person contains, this person also contains same data. Immutable, same data. That means one copy only created. If you want, you can verify address of m here. Right? If you want, you can verify here. Print id. Print id of m. Here also print. Here also print. Here I am printing. Print id of n. Because of same content, right? Here also n value 5. There also m value 5. M is 5 only. Here also 5. So those same 5 only going. Because of these people, these two people are contain same data. And one more thing is integer is mutable. So integer is immutable. Immutable means same copy. Immutable means same copy, remember. And one more thing is, try to understand. Try to understand. One more thing I want to clarify to every person. Same address will be printed here. So, and one more, careful everyone, I am writing within the brackets also. I am writing within the brackets also. Can you understand here? Can you understand here? Python language follows. See this one. Python programming follows. Python programming follows. Call by reference. Call by reference. Means same person only going. You want to say that because of same address. Call, right? Python programming follows call by reference. Reference will go. New copy will not create. Reference will go. But however, it is based on mutable or immutable. However, it is based on mutable, immutable. Please try to understand. Mutable or immutable. Try to understand that particular point also. Right? We will execute. Now see this one, this program, everything fine. Forget about that copy and all. Forget about. Now let's go back and let's run the program. So fact of n 5 is going. So m is 5 now. M is 5 now. Now let's see how this program. So I read s is equal to 1, m is 5. Now for loop is going on. Can you see the range function? If anyone having doubt with the range function, please see the right range function one time. So it will start from m value 5, right? And always it will decrement by 1, right? So you have to check the condition also. See, until 1 you have to repeat. What is the meaning? 5, afterwards minus 1 4, afterwards minus 1 3, afterwards minus 1 2, afterwards 1 1. Condition, see this one, 1 greater than 1, 1 greater than 1. See the condition, right? So m is greater than 1, then only it will run. M is greater than 1, then only this will run. So 1, stop it. So 5 4 3 2 1, it will stop. So it will go inside 4 times every time, right? M is equal to 5. See this one, m is equal to 5. What is the code, right? S is equal to s into I. So initial I value is 5. So s is 1 already, 1 into 5. So s value became 1 into 5, means 5. Next one, m is equal to 4 in the next term. So in the here m means I. Here m means I. Initial I value is 5. Next I value is 4. Then what is the answer? S is equal to s into s already 5. 5 into I 4. So 5 into 4. So 20. Next I value is 3. So s is equal to s into 20 into I 3. So it will become 60. Now next I value is 2. So s is equal to s into s is what? 60. 60 into 2, which is 120. Right? Next one, I value is 1. Right? I think you are out of the loop. Whenever 1, this condition is failed. 1 greater than 1 failed. So you are out of the for loop. Remember this printf statement is out of for loop only. If it is inside for loop, it should be go inside. It's out of the for loop only. So print f. Let's see this one. It's a fetch. Print factorial of m is s. Right? If you want to fetch like this, you have to write f here. Otherwise, normal way also you can write factorial of, then a comma. You have to write m. Right? Comma. Right? Next one is again string, double quotes you have to write. Right? Factorial of, double quotes. Afterwards, comma, m, comma. Next one is double quotes. Afterwards, comma, s. You have to write. One more better way is, right? Just write the total string you write. Write the total string inside whichever variable data you want to fetch. Keep inside the curly bracket, but you have to write the fetch starting. You have to write fetch. Fetch followed by double quotes, ended by double quotes. See, double quotes starting, double quotes ending. So fetch you are already written just in one sentence. See this one. Factorial of m is s. M you want to bring its value, right? Curly bracket you keep. S also you want to bring its value, curly bracket you keep. Then answer is going to be, you will see the answer like factorial of m. M means I think 5 is yes. S is finally 120. It will be printed like this. Remember, execution always start from main. How you divided your house into so many parts. Total program also divided into so many parts. One of the first part name is main function. Execution will start from main. In the main, whichever is called, I will go there. I will execute that code. How can you say that is the code or call? Definition, def is there. It is a code. It is not a call. Whenever I call, I will go to the definition. I will run. Def will be written leftmost place. Next one, factorial code will be inside factorial. Means one position, right shift you have to do. Next one, inside for loop code. Inside for loop code is one right shift. So like that. Range function, you know. And one more thing is, in the def line, wherever you written def, in that line, at the end colon should be there. And for for loop in that line at the end colon should be there, right? Please be careful. Factorial and function call fact of n, there is no colon required. Function call, there is no colon required. And one more, Python language follows call by reference. Python language follows call by reference. Please try to understand. Please try to understand. Python programming language follows call by reference. Right? I feel everyone is comfortable. I feel everyone is comfortable. I will run 1 or 2 points are there. I will take care of that also. Let me run it. Just give me 1 minute. Let me run. I am running also. Let me run. Just give me 1 minute. You will get the more clarity. You will get the more clarity. Let me run it. I am running. Yeah, see this. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes. I will make a ready code for you. See this. DEF. It's not required, but for your convenience, just I want to show to you one time. Fact M colon. See this one. I think a fact code will be inside fact. Inside, see, one position right shift is already done, right? So let's see the code. S is equal to 1. Okay, that is okay. And one more thing is I want to print address also. Print ID of M. ID of M. That is also okay. Next, for loop is starting for I in the range. So it will start from M, comma, it will go until 1, right? So -1 you are decrementing every time, right? So at the end of the for loop also colon is required. So it, right, for loop code is inside for loop code is inside for one more right shift. Then what you have to do in this code, right? S is equal to S into I. Yeah, so now see S into I. Now see this. I'm out of for loop. Then finally, lastly print. Now see this one. I want to write that fetch story. See this one. F write first, followed by inside this you write factorial of M is yes. You have to write fetch like this. Fetch means F you write, double quotes you write. Inside double quotes, whatever you want, you write the string. But if you whomsoever you want to fetch, please keep the curly bracket. I want to fetch the M value, currently M value, currently S value. I want to fetch. But remember, it is outside for loop. It's outside for loop, but everything is going on inside fact function. Inside fact function, see this one, all are inside the fact. That is the reason all are there in the same line. Okay, that's okay. So fact function is completed. Remember, fact function is already completed. If any syntax problem, I will take care. Now see this one, main function starting. N is equal to 5. Okay, that is okay. Next one, print ID of N. Print ID of N. That is also okay. Next one, call the function. I am calling fact of N. So this is the program. I feel everything is okay. It may give output, but there may be chance that some errors also will come. Let's check. I'm checking. So now see this one. If you see the first address, I think first two, right? N address I printed. N address is, if you see, 3808. If you want, you can see the total address also. 3808. N address. If you see the M address, right? First printf is N address only. Second printf is M address only. Second printf, if you observe, see, same thing will be printed. Python programming language follows call by reference. Same address will go. And one more thing is, this N is mutable. It is an integer. Immutable. Integer means immutable. Same data. Immutable, same data. Understand? Immutable means same data, same copy. And one more thing is, Python programming language follows call by reference. Can you see the output? Factorial of 5 is 120. Factorial of 5 is 120. Let me know any objections are there. And you have to write the main function down only. You have to write main function down only. And one more. If you want to fetch the values, you want to write string also, and you want to write the values also of variables. Just write f means fetch. Within the double quotes, write the string, whatever you want, but whose values you want to fetch. You can write in the curly bracket. Yeah, Gaurav is saying hi, sir. Hi, Gaurav. Hi. Hi, Gaurav. Thanks for saying hi. Thank you. Let me know anyone having any objections here. Python language follows call by reference. That is the reason I printed. Let me know any issue. Sir, I have this issue. I have that issue. You say to me, I will help you. Yeah, in further problems also we'll take care. In further problems also we'll take care. Can we move to next problem? I think it's perfect. Let's move to next problem. Little doubt also there. In the next problem you can clarify. I made ready that also. Can you see this? I made ready this also. Please see. What is the output of this program? You can check. What is the output of this program? You can verify. I will run this also. I will run this problem also. Can you check? Everyone try this. And remember, so main function I written whooper, it don't work out. To say that only I given this problem. Main program whooper, definition niche, it don't work out. I will go back and I will show to you. Can you see this? Can you see this one? I am rotating this one. This is the main function, right? I am writing main function whooper, cut. So I am writing here, paste. Then afterwards I am keeping, yeah. So main function first, factorial next. Let me run it. See this. Fact is not available. You are calling fact. In the main function, you are calling fact. It will see whooper only. It will see whooper at anywhere, fact of n. Interesting thing is, fact of n is there niche. You don't see. It will see whooper only. Okay, it will start. Main will be there at the bottom, right? From the bottom, it will see top. It's a bottom to top approach. First, it will go to main. Main will be there at the extreme bottom. So go to the main function. From there, whoever is there, call. Right? When you go, main is extreme bottom. Whoever will come, they will be there on the top. It will always see on the top. It don't work. See the error also. Name fact is not defined. It is already defined, but it is defined niche. But it don't see niche. It will see whooper only. It follows bottom to top approach. Bottom up approach, you can say. It is a bottom up approach. So be careful. To say that only I given this problem. So you have to shift it. It is a main one. So let me write now. It is a main. Main should be bottom. It's a main. It should be bottom. It's the bottom you have to write. It is the Fibonacci function. It's a Fibonacci function, right? So yeah, that's fine. So let me write now. So I'm writing here. Main function, let me write here. N is equal to int of input, enter n. Afterwards print Fibonacci of n. You called it. That's okay. Then I think yeah, same thing. Let me remove it. Just to say only that point, I written over. To say that point, I written over. Please be careful. It will follow bottom up approach. It will see it will go to directly bottom, right? So see this one. Directly bottom means main function first. Main function first. So I am doing now. I am doing now. Everyone understand. I am doing now. See the execution. So enter n. Enter n. Assume I enter 5. Right? So enter the n, I enter. So remember this input function return always string. So it return 5. I enter 5 number because of this input function always return string. Finally string is out. But I want integer. Convert into integer. I converted. It is 5. I converted. It became 5. Now n is 5. N is 5. Next one, print Fibonacci of n. Print Fibonacci of n. N is 5, na? So Fibonacci of 5 is called. Fibonacci of 5 is called. So remember, it is an actual parameter. It is a formal parameter. Here 5, it is also 5. Both are same. And one more thing is, n is a immutable. And one more thing is, Python language follows call by reference. Same reference only going. Both having same memory. Both are having same memory. Both are having same memory. Try to understand. Now see how the execution. So remember, a function is calling itself. See, Fibonacci internally calling Fibonacci. Fibonacci internally calling Fibonacci. Remember this. Fibonacci internally calling Fibonacci. And one more, in the previous problem, what is the output? It's a factorial function, no? Factorial finding. Everyone know factorial of 5 is n value 5, factorial of 5 is 120. Finally, 120 will be printed, which is a factorial. Factorial of 5 is 120. It's a factorial function. What is there in that? Now come here, it's a Fibonacci. So you called the Fibonacci, m is 5, and one more, a function calling itself. A function calling itself. See, Fibonacci calling internally Fibonacci. This is called recursion. This is called recursion. And one more, in this recursion, two function calls are there. In this recursion, two function calls are there. This is a recursion, okay, two function call. More than one function call go in the form of a tree. One function call go in the form of a stack. Recursion means stack required. Recursion means stack required. But here recursion there, but more than one function call. Right? Show the same stack in the form of a tree. I am showing tree doesn't mean that stack is not there. Stack only in the form of tree I am showing. Right? Now see this one. If you observe clearly, Fibonacci of 5 is called. M is 5. Be careful. Fibonacci of 5 is called. So M is 5. Then internally it will call. See, first step it will ask. Remember, this program contains two steps. Every time it will execute either first step or second step. First step is m is 0, m value 5 as of now. Is 5 is 0? No. 5 is 1? No. Then go to second part. What is the second part? Contain two parts. So Fibonacci of m here, m minus 1. Sorry for this, it is m, na? It is m minus 1. It is also m minus 2. Remember. It is a m minus 1, m minus 2. Right? Fine. So otherwise I will write again. Nothing there. Because inside this function, everything is m only. Inside this function, everything is m only. It is the m minus 1, it is the n minus 2. Right? So Fibonacci of 5 is called, internally it is calling Fibonacci of m minus 1. Fibonacci of m minus 1. Right? Fibonacci of m minus 1. I think m value 5, na? 5 minus 1 means 4. Same thing only, but m is changed. M is now 4. Plus Fibonacci of m minus 2. M only, but it became 3. In this function, everything is m only, but value keep on updating. In the first function call, m is 5. In the second round, in the next line, if you see, m is 4, m is 3. Once again, Fibonacci of 4. Again, same story. Fibonacci of 4 internally call. 3 also, 2 also. In between plus. Again, Fibonacci of 3 internally called 2 people. Fibonacci of m, which is 2 here, plus Fibonacci of m, it is 1 here. Right, what about 3? Same story. Fibonacci of m minus 1 means 2 here. Fibonacci of m minus 2. M is already parent having 3. So left child is 3 minus 1, right child is 3 minus 2, which is going to be 1. Right? Same thing here. So Fibonacci of m minus 1, 1 here. Fibonacci of m minus 2, it's going to be 0. So same thing here. Same thing here. Fibonacci of m minus 1 plus Fibonacci of m minus 2. So 0. Right? Same thing. Every time do. That's the meaning of recursion. Doing same thing. Sir, you are doing same thing again and again. Only value changing. You are doing every time same. That is the meaning of recursion. Fibonacci of m, where m is 2. I think the second condition. Every time two conditions are there. First condition fail. Second condition. So f of m minus 1. I think it is 1. F of m minus 2. It is 0. So in between. And one more thing I want to say to everyone. Right? Recursive program do in the form of a tree, which is nothing but a stack only. Recursive program do in the form of a tree, which is nothing but stack only. Now understand. This person calling two people. See, main function calling two people. First he will call left person because he is first person. Right? So this person is calling you two people, I understand, but first it will call left person because in the program he is first. Again, it is a recursion. Na? He have two people. He will call left person first. He have two people, but he will call left person first. He have two people, right? He will call the first left person. Left person is first person. So recursion. He will call is first person. 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 So everyone calling first. So finally, you are at here processor. The processor which is running this particular recursive program, first it started here. Having two, first it will call left. After left over, then only right. Right now, again to left he will go. Again to left he will go. Again to left he will go. So whenever younger son, elder son both are talking, Papa will always listen elder son. First one means elder son. Whenever two people, right, two kids are talking with the papa, right, elder son also, younger son also. Elder son he will listen first because he's the elder one. Some sense there. Younger people mostly no sense. That is the reason when Modi ji is talking, some sense there. When Rahul Gandhi talking, maybe no sense. Because it's not his fault also, some age problem. Right? Rahul Gandhi is a little younger than Modi ji. Modi ji is the elder. So when Modi ji is saying, people will listen. When Rahul Gandhi is saying, people may not listen because elder and younger. Right? Here also say elder means first person, younger means second person, something like that. Same in your family also, in my family also. Whenever elder and younger both are talking, parents try to listen first. They will listen both. Right? Elder one first. See, he is having two kids, but elder one he will listen first. He have two kids. Elder one he will listen. So finally you are at here. So he is calling him. He is calling him. He is calling him. He is calling him. Almost you are at here. Now everything perfect. Now see the answer. It is also function call. It is also function call. See this one. It is also function call. F of 1. M value 1, f of 1, f of 1. Please listen. F of 1. M value 1, na? It is a recursion. Same story. Is M is 0? No. M is 1? Yes. Return M. So it returns 1. F of 0. Is M is 0? Yes. Return M. It is 0. 0 plus 1. Right? 1 plus 0. It will become 1. So you have to plus. You have to return here also. See, return is there. Return means sending to parent. Return means sending to parents. This one done, it will be sent to here. So this became 1 plus 0 is 1. See the white color. White color things are values. So I think left over, then go right. F of 1. I think first line, first statement only will execute. M value 1 or 0. I think 1. Return M 1. 1 plus 1, 2 will be returned. 2 here. So left over, then go to right. And the right again, same story. Again, you will go to left. So this will return 1. this will return 0. 1 plus 0 is, it will return 1. So I think plus operation, 2 plus 1 is 3, it will return 3. Because of leftover, go to right. For this left again, you are at here. This will return 1, this will return 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Left over, then go to right. F of 1 is 1 only. 1, right? 1 plus 1, 2. It will return 2. So 3 plus 2, which is going to be 5. Lastly, Fibonacci of 5 is 5. Lastly, Fibonacci of 5 is 5. Recursion. Recursion means stack required because so many people. Why stack? You may say that, sir, why stack, sir? So many people are coming. Parent calling children, children will call again child, child will call again child. Many people are there to keep them systematically. To keep them systematically, one data structure required. That is stack. Why stack? You may say that why stack? See, I executed from here, but finally I end up here. See, last person will execute first. So in the entire diagram, the first person who is going to complete is this. Last person will complete first. That is the reason stack. In the entire tree, if you observe, last person, see, first calling, you came here. You came here, it will complete first. Say, last person who came, he will complete first. See, the first person who came here, he will complete last. All the children are over, then only parent can go over. That is the reason stack data structure. Recursion, oh, so many people are called. Calling itself many times. These many people where I will store in the form of stack, which is nothing but a tree. Which is nothing but a tree format I got, but it is stack only. Right? It is a stack only, but tree format I written. So that looks wise nice. Looks wise nice. I have to keep in similar fashion, I have to keep in the stack. Same fashion, it is there in the stack. So finally, last person will execute first. That is the meaning of stack. Stack means not diagram, property. So last person will complete first. First person will complete last. That is the meaning of stack. Sir, where is the stack? Stack diagram is not important. See the property. Last person will complete first. First person will complete last. That is the meaning of stack. So finally, this program will return 5. Now some people are asking, sir, Fibonacci of 5 this is. Suppose if I want Fibonacci of 6, now see this one. Fibonacci of 6 internally call 5 and 4. And 4. 5 is already 5. 4 somewhere we can see. This is a 4. So this is 3. It will internally call, you know very well. It internally call. It return finally 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Fibonacci of 6 is 8. So if you want, you can call. If you want, you can call Fibonacci of 7 also. Fibonacci of 7 internally call 6 and 5. Plus 6 already 8. 5 is I think 5. 5. So 8 plus 5, 13. If you want, you can check. This is 13. And one more thing. At this place, if you want, you can write print m. Print id of m. Address also, if you want, you can print. So Python language follows call by reference. In same address only coming. Same address only. Everyone, right? This n and this m, actual parameter and formal parameter, both will share same memory because it follows call by reference. Print id of n. They both will print same address. So now what I will do is I will execute also one time. Can you see? Only for your convenience, I will execute also one time. Just give me 1 minute. I will change accordingly. Right? Only for your convenience, I am writing. Only for your convenience, I am writing. Just 1 minute. In the place of fact, Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci. Print ID, so that's okay. Go to the Fibonacci. Fib. Go inside. I think it's not required, so these all I have to change it. I'm changing. So here Fibonacci of nth Fibonacci number is n means here m, right? Here m. Here m. Mth Fibonacci number is whatever answer is there, that one. Yeah, whatever will come, I will take care. So let me finish it up first. Yeah, inside code I am writing. If m equal to 0 or m equal to 1 colon, then return m, okay, else return m, that's okay, else colon return Fibonacci of m minus 1 plus Fibonacci of m minus 2. So after the program is over, after this function, this story is completed, continue. So lastly it will return, I think here you cannot, let's say this. So this printf here you cannot. I am printing in the main program itself, nothing there. You can print wherever you want depending upon your requirement, right? I felt here is better. So I'm writing here nth Fibonacci number is. So you written like this, yeah, perfect. You can keep colon here, Fibonacci of and bracket close. Everything is perfect, I think so. Let me run it one time. If any errors are there, I will take care. Let me check. Maybe somewhere I done small mistakes, I will rectify. Fib minus 1 minus 2. Okay, that is also okay. Let me check next. One more time, return Fibonacci of minus 1, Fibonacci of minus 2, m colon n is equal to 5, print id of n, printf nth Fibonacci number is Fibonacci of n. Okay, anywhere wrong, let me know. id of n, print none type, return m minus 1, m minus 2. Let's see if anyone identified any errors. Can you suggest me? I know when you execute code live, there may be some small bugs. We have to fix it. Can you see that? Return Fibonacci of m minus 1 plus Fibonacci of m minus 2. Fib called. Anything you find out, something fishy, let me know. Unsupported operand type of s, where I written s here. Where I written yes, yeah. Bhaiya, where I written yes, man. This person saying unsupported type. Something going on here. Let's check. Nth Fibonacci number is print ID of n. Fibonacci of n. N will go m0, m0, m minus 1 like that. It's okay. I will try this for our convenience. Let me check here. Nth Fibonacci number is now I maybe some errors will go now. Let's check. Mhm. Anything wrong item? Let's check again. Return Fibonacci of m minus 1 plus Fibonacci of m minus 2, m minus 1, m minus 2, m is equal to 0 or m is equal to 1. Return, yeah, this may be the case. Return m, this may be the case. Return m, that's the reason some errors came. Because you didn't return anything. Yeah, see, small thing only, so many errors came. Now observe. Now I think everything is perfect, so I can go that also. I can go that also. Fibonacci fetch nth Fibonacci number, fetch nth Fibonacci number is, yeah, I think it may work now. Let's check. Yeah, fifth Fibonacci number is 5. Yeah, perfect. Now in the place of 5, I am writing 7. I'm writing 7. Seventh Fibonacci number is 13. Okay, that is also okay. Now next one is I think 10. See, very big tree will come. 10 level tree will come. 10 level tree means approximately 2 power 10 functional calls are there. 55. It's a very big number. So if you increase further, serious story will come. Let's go 15. If you increase further, serious stories, serious problems will come. Fibonacci will generate very big tree, 2 power 15 function calls. So 6, 10, 15. 15 is 6, 10. So if I make here, let's make 20. It will become very big tree, 2 power 20 function calls. So 6765. And see this one. In the main program, n address I typed. It is given 7232. In the function also, let me keep m address. I am doing the same thing in the function also. Because I want to say it follows call by reference. M here I am printing. I am printing m also. That I want to say that same address will be printed. So because of it is a recursion, so many times it is printed, so many times. Because of recursion, it is so many times printed. So many times printed. So if you see the address here, so many times printed. Function to right. So in every function call, one m is created. In every function call, one m is created. So try to understand. Here so many function calls are there. In every function call, some m is created. Different m. Every person having different story. But we have to see. We have to see only first time. We have to see only first time. Let's go here. Because of its recursion, many people created. Many people. So let's go ahead here Fibonacci of 2 so that you will get less people. See the first two people. See the first two people, see, first two people same address. Whatever you send, whatever there, same person. Same person there. Same person there. Right? And Python programming language follows call by reference. Try to understand. Try to understand. Call by, right? Call by reference. Call by reference. Further, so many function calls are there, something is going on. Right? In the tree, every person having their own space. In the tree, every function having its own space. Right? Be careful. Be careful now. See, first two people. So here I printed, right? N address. Here I printed M address. Further, that is a different story. Further, what is going on, that is a different story. Don't worry. Don't worry. Right? That will also come in further classes. That will also come in further classes. Can you see first two people? M and N, same story. But further, there is a big story. See, further, whatever is coming, remember, further, whatever is going on, M minus 1. See, M minus 1. You are updated. It's updated value. So we are talking about same data. We are talking about same data. It's updated data. Further is updated story. M minus 1 you are doing, M minus 2 you are doing. So different. So you know very well, right? Immutable. If you say immutable, you cannot change. If you try to change, some different copy will be created. Here different copy created. Here different copy created. Please be careful. We are talking about same data. N value to M also to. Same data we are talking. Same data, same address. And one more, it is a immutable. It is a immutable. When you try to change something, different will be created. Different will be created. Further, different will be created. Further, different will be created. So please be careful. Right? Fine. I'm thinking everyone got it. Perfect. Perfect. Let's move to next. See, this program also can you see. Find output of the following Python program. This problem also please take care. What is the output of this program? Please try this. Please try this. And one more thing, remember, code you have to write below. Main function should be below. Main function should be below. Please be careful. Main function should be below. So I written the main function over, right? You have to write below. This should be below. Please take care. It's a main, you should write below. It is the later function. Okay, anyhow, you know the syntax very well. Just try to find out what is the output of this program. From main, you came here. While writing in the editor, or while writing in the compiler, please take care. Main function will be written bottom. Please be careful. Because Python programming language follows bottom-up approach. Yeah, you can start what is the output of this program. You can start what is the output of this program. In this problem, you will see some other story also. In this problem, you will see some other story also. Yeah, please finish it up. Finish this problem fast. Finish this problem fast. I will give the answer. Can you try once? Yeah, so let's see this one. So in the main program, there is a one list. 0th person, first person, second person, third person, fourth person, fifth person. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, 5. Right? 0 to 5. So length of, right? Length of array. Length of array. I think 0 to 5 means 6 people. So array you are passing, right? This also you are passing. Array you are passing, this also you are passing. Okay, fine. Array is k. Length also k, both k. Right? What exactly this program is doing? What exactly this program is doing? And one more thing I want to say to all the people, it's a call by reference. Python programming language follows call by reference. However, mutable concept also will come into the picture. However, remember, call by reference only, blindly don't go. Immutable concept also will come into the picture. Please try to understand that. Please try to understand. Right? I am repeating everyone. I am repeating everyone. Please try to understand. Call by reference, Python programming. Python programming follows call by reference. What is the meaning? In the mail, whatever, whomsoever, right? Whichever address you created, same thing will be forwarded. But afterwards, it depending upon mutable or immutable. Right? Afterwards, it is mutable or immutable. Please be careful. Accordingly, it will come to the picture. Accordingly, it will come to the picture. Mutable or immutable, it will come to the picture. Right? So now see this. Right? So I think as it is k, as it is k. Now see this one. As it is k. Right? Now see. Max is equal to array of size minus 1. I think size is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. It is 5. Array of 5. Array of 5 is what? 2. So max is 2. Some people are asking what this program will do. So I will write here. I will write here. This program, see this one, this program, above program, above program will compute all leaders present in the given list. Above program will compute or will find, above program will find all leaders present in the given list. First of all, what is leader here? See the leader definition. If anyone don't know, leader definition. Element X is said to be leader if right hand side of element X all are less than X. Element X is said to be leader if right hand side of element X, if right hand side of element X all are less than X. What it means? Can you see this? Can you see this one? 10 here, 20 here, 30 here. Be careful, 30 here. So I am writing here 50 here, 11 here, 21 here, 31 here. See this one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements assumed. Afterwards, we'll go to our problem. These are the elements assumed that. These are the elements. Now my question is 50 is a leader or not? Element 50 is a leader or not? How can I decide element 50 is a leader or not? Right hand side of element 50. Right hand side of element 50, whichever elements are there, all should be less than this. So it is a 50, all are less than 50. So E is a leader. E is a leader. Now let me check once. Is 11 is a leader? Right? 11 is a leader or not? I want to check. Right hand side. All are less than 11. No, he is not a leader. What about 21? Is he leader? Right hand side. All people should be less than him. But 31 is not a leader. What about 30? Right hand side. Many 50 is there. He is not a leader. What about 20? Right hand side. Many greater people are there. He is not a leader. What about 10? Right hand side. Many greater people. He is not a leader. Then what about 31? Right hand side, no one. If anyone there, they should be smaller. No one there, so he is the leader. So remember, rightmost person is always leader. Rightmost person is always leader. So the leaders here is the leaders here is 50 and 31. These are the two leaders here in this problem. So above program will find all leaders present in the given list. What is the leader definition? Element X is said to be leader if right hand side of element X, if right hand side of element X are element X, so all are less than X. If I will write properly, nothing there. If all elements, if all elements present right hand side of element X are less than element X. Element X is said to be leader if all elements present right hand side of element X are less than element X. Then element X is said to be leader. So I given the example also. Now this program is same story. So as soon as you come inside this program, remember first element is a leader. See, first element is max. First leader is max. Who is the max? Rightmost person, whoever there. Rightmost person, whoever is there. That is the first letter. So further later out, right? So you have to move from right hand side. See, this program is moving from right hand side. Size -2. Size is actually 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So always you are decrementing by 1. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1. See, condition is -1. Right? So what is the condition -1? Right? Let us in that size here. Right? Size is greater than -1. So size is greater than -1. I think 4 is greater than -1. Yes. 3 is greater than -1. Yes. 2 is greater than -1. Yes. 1 is greater than -1. Yes. 0 also greater than -1. Yes. -1 is not. So remember, this loop is going on 5 times. Range function will produce 5 values. First value 4. Fourth element. Next third. Next 2. Next first. Next 0. So why not the fifth onwards? Fifth element is already leader. Right? Rightmost element is already leader. So first leader is already printed. So first leader is, who is the first leader? Max is equal to array of 5. I think 2. 2 is already leader. First leader is 2. 2 printed already. Okay, that's okay. Now run the program. This loop is going on 5 times. 4 to 0. First time 4. I is 4. So array of 4. I is 4, array of 4. Array of 4 is what? 5. What is the max as of now? As of now, max is 2. So as of now, max is 2 means right hand side as of now maximum is 2. Comparing that person, whoever is there before him, that is a fourth person. Easy greater, array of 4 is 5. New person is greater than the existing maximum. New person is 5. Is it greater than the existing maximum? Yes. Then he will be the next leader. So next leader is 5. Next leader is array of 5 and one more because of is the next leader. Update a maximum also. Maximum is now 5, not 4. Until now, right hand side maximum is 5. Until now, right hand side is maximum 5. So remember this term. Now the next person, whoever is coming from right hand side, 3. Is he greater than existing maximum? No, he is not a leader. Now, next person who is coming is 4. Is he greater than existing maximum? No, he is also not leader. The next person who is coming, is he greater than the existing maximum? Yes. So, next leader is 17. And because of he is the maximum, comparing it, so update it. Next one. Is 16 is greater than the existing maximum? No, is not a leader. Simply right to left one scan you have to do. Right to left, one scan you have to do, other than this nothing. So these are the three letters. First letter is 2. I will use another color. First letter is 2. Afterwards, right, and is a letter and is a max also. Further people compare with the max, right? So new person whoever is coming, is it greater than maximum? Yes, then is the letter printed and update max also. Do right to left, one scan. So time complexity of this program is order of n. One scan you are doing from left to right. One scan you are doing from left to right. Right? Fine. So remember, while writing the code, right, main function you have to write bottom. So for your convenience, I will run that code also. Can you see one time? Can you see one time? I will run your, right? I will run the, right? I will run the program one time. It will take 1 minute only, please see. Right? I'm running the program. For your convenience, just I'm running the program. It's actually not required, but only for namesake, for understanding how it is going on. Just I'm giving, just give me 1 minute. I'm doing that. Go there. Go there. So yeah, so I have to start now def leaders. I'm writing LEA only. So one array is came. Size also came. Yes, assume. So column, go inside. So first one, max is equal to A of S minus 1. Right? A of S minus 1. S is size minus 1. So last person is maximum. Is leader also. Print first letter is, if you want you can keep fetch, so work will be less. Then you have to write inside max. Okay, this is the first letter. Okay, fine. After this one for loop is started. For I in the range, so it will start from S minus 2 until minus 1. Step count is minus 1. In right end of the for loop, you have to keep colon. Next one, you have to check one condition. If existing max is less than new person, who is a new person, A of I, then print. So let's see the fetch. Next leader is, who is the next leader? Next leader is, so you have to write A of next leader is, I think you can write change here also. It will becomes very simple. Max is equal to A of I. Right? Afterwards, you can use the max only. That is the reason I done here. Right? Fine. Afterwards, this for loop is over. All leaders it will compute. Total program also over, I think so. Next one, let me write now. Array is equal to, so I'm writing, can you see the elements? What are the elements are there? Elements, if you observe, 16, 17, 4. 16, 17, 4. I'm writing same. 16, 17, 4. What else? 16, 17, 4. What else? 3, 5, 2. 3, 5, 2. 3, 5, 2. 3, 5, 2. Right? So this is the array. Next one, you have to call the function. Let me call the function LEA leader. Right? Then array you are passing, comma, length of array. So I hope everything is fine. Maybe some errors will be there. I will resolve it. Don't worry. Max of A of I. max is less than a of I. Let's check if at the end of the if colon required, at the end of the if colon required, right, at the end of the if colon required, and one more thing is inside if, right, you should give one position right shift, right. Yeah, I think now maybe perfect, I think so, otherwise I will fix it, nothing there. So first letter is 2, next letter is 5, next letter is a 15. I think everything is fine, that's what you want. And one more thing is Python language follows call by reference. Let me print id of array. Okay, right here also let me print, here also let me print, here also I am printing id of a. So let me run it. So but first both the printfs are addresses only. See, same reference went, same reference went, same reference went, right. And one more interesting thing is same data, both contain same data, because of call by reference na, first it will go same address, first it will try to go same, afterwards inside the code if you try to change it, because it's a mutable na, you can change also if you try to change it. So you know mutable same data, mutable same data, you are trying to change, different copy will be created, different copy will be, initially it will go call by reference only, depending upon what you are doing inside, accordingly actions will be taken, accordingly actions will be taken, right. Please be careful, please be careful, right. Fine. So yeah, what I will do is, I think because of you are really comfortable, what I will do is I will try, please see here, I will try only for namesake, only for namesake. Let me check once, let me check here what is going on, let me check here what is going on. A of 4 is equal to 77, I written. Let's check what will happen. Print id I printed here, after modification also I am printing, see what will happen. After modification also again I am printing, I modified first, I am printing, see once what will happen, see this. So first time same address, second time also same address, means here same address, here same address, here also same address, right. Further see same address, see this one same address. Is it mutable? Because of mutable you can change inside, because of mutable you can do changes inside, it is a mutable person, is a mutable person, you can do changes inside. If it is immutable you cannot change inside. So this point I am writing, be careful, be careful, this point I am writing, don't confuse, I am writing the story here, I am writing the story here, please listen, please listen here, because why list is a mutable one, right. List is mutable. Python language follows, no need to confuse, not required. Python language follows, these may be required, may not be required, right. These may be, right, when you are doing the pyqs, these may not be required, check once. However, it is better to know actual facts. Python language follows call by reference, call by reference, right. If mutable if mutable, if you change in calling function, same will modify, same will modify. If mutable, if you change in the called function, same thing will update. No new copy. If you modify, right? If mutable, if you modify in calling function, same thing will update, no new copy. If immutable, I am writing different copy. Remember, if you modify, if we don't modify, same. If you modify in calling function, new copy created and it will update. You may ask that some Python language follows call by reference. How? So there is however, there is a mutability, immutability concept. Python language follows call by reference. Not only that, this is the one point. Mutable, immutable also important. If mutable, then what the answer? No new copy. No new copy. Suppose immutable, then new copy created. So these 6 points, please take care. Python language follows call by reference, first point. If immutable, no new copy. If you modify, no new copy. If immutable, if you modify, new copy created and it will update. This is the very important one. It will be useful to you after some point of time. Please take care. However, Python language first initially call by reference only. Mutable also, immutable also, same if you don't update. Call by reference only. Call by reference only. Mutable, immutable, both are initially call by reference. Depending upon mutable, immutable, if you modify, no new copy will be there, old same copy will be updated. If immutable, new copy will be created. Like immutable means what? Like integer, character, so float, string, right? So whatever is immutable people, if you modify, new copy. Mutable people, if you modify, same copy, right? Because same copy only came, mutable, you will say okay, I can adjust. So this is the programming language terminology, parameter passing techniques it is, right? Further it will come, don't worry. In the next class we will see some more examples. Don't confuse this point. For it will follows reference. If you don't update, if you update, mutable, same copy, immutable, different copy. That's it. Hello everyone, my name is Subbarao Gutta. I have been guiding students for competitive examinations since 2007. Based on my experience, I would like to share a few suggestions that can make your preparation more effective. I hope you are enjoying these lectures. My sincere request is please complete the entire subject without skipping any lecture. Every lecture is connected. While attending the classes, write your own notes and execute every program that I demonstrate. I strongly believe in that one time writing is equal to 10 times reading. And programming is learned only through practice, right? While doing the story at any point of time, if I am writing the program, you also write, you also do changes whatever you want. Instead of blindly listening whatever I'm saying, right? You also write the program, you also try whatever you want. So you have to make the notes also, and because of it's a programming, it's better to practice also. If you have any doubts, ask them in the comment section or join our doubt solving group. Our doubt solvers will solve. And you can provide, you can see class notes of this, but these all lectures in the group also. The link of the group will be provided in the description. Please have a right look one time. And not only that, as soon as you complete any subject, right, assignment also please write. Assignment link also we are providing in the description. Lastly, you write the mock tests also, those links also provided. Once you finish the subject, make sure you solve the assignment and then attempt the mock test. That's where real learning will start. We will provide the same quality of teaching, assignments, mock test, and doubt support for each and every subject. Before I conclude, I would like to share one belief that is very close to my heart. I sincerely believe that quality education should be accessible to every talented student. No student should miss quality education because of financial limitations. That's why we have kept most of the courses at exam prep tool affordable so that every deserving student can benefit. Thank you for your support. Stay consistent, trust the process, and keep learning, keep growing. In the next class, we'll see the further story.